You followed all the steps, but your skin is still patchy and red. Most people think they're just bad at waxing, but you aren't. The difference between a DIY disaster and a professional finish is just 3 tiny technical fixes. Fix number 1. The honey rule. If your wax drips like water, it's too hot. You risk a burn. You want a thick honey consistency. This is the only way to shrink wrap the hair. Consistency allows the wax to actually grip the hair bulb, not just the surface. Mistake number 2 is being too gentle. This is why it hurts. A slow pull doesn't remove the root, it just snaps the hair in half. The fix? Keep your hand parallel to the skin. Never pull up. Use a fast, decisive flick. Speed is your best friend. And always press down immediately after to soothe the nerve endings. The third failure is the invisible barrier. You can't wax over oil. Even a trace of moisturizer or sweat will make the wax slide off. The professional secret? A light dusting of pre-wax powder. This ensures the wax grabs only the hair, not your delicate skin. Honey consistency, the fast parallel flick, and the powder barrier. Master these 3, and you'll never have a failed at-home session again. But what about the red bumps that show up the next day? Click here to see my post-wax rescue routine. Stay smooth, and I'll see you there.